I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hi my lovely Frosty fam, it's me Karen Frost at Nail Decadence, and we've got the first video for the celebrity inspired nail designs, and this episode 1 is Cher, requested by Rita Cartwright. Thank you for your suggestion, Rita. I hope I've done the nails justice for Cher for you. Cher's not somebody that I would have thought about doing, to be honest, so I had to do a little bit of research and look her up and see what she's, you know, what she's all about. And I noticed that her nails aren't very long. She doesn't really have them very long. She keeps them quite classic and simple, so no 3D, no gems, and just very simple nudes. So I didn't want to go too overboard with this set, but you know me, I like to do busy nails. So I've tried to tie the nails in with her outfit, and I hope that I've done her justice. So let's get into what I'm doing. So I'm applying my thin clear base first, of course, as always, because we're pretending Hand Dolly's a real person. If you would like to get a hand dolly of your own, visit www.handdolly.co.uk, use code KFGIFT, and you can get a discount on your silicone practice hands, and I highly recommend them. I use them all the time, as you see in my videos. Love them. Anyway, enough of that. So on the ring finger we are doing an extended nail bed. Now obviously these are very short nails, so this nail bed is very short, and I'm doing it in a triangular shape. You'll notice that that's the theme of these nails, is the triangular shape, because if you look at Cher's outfit, she has a lot of diamond or triangular shaped lines going along her dress and in her headdress and stuff, so that's what I'm trying to tie into with this set. So hope that makes sense. So anywho, still applying the nail bed colour for the extended nail bed, and I'm just making sure my wall is built up. Now you'll see my wall is not as high as it would be for a longer set of nails, because obviously shorter nails, they don't need as much acrylic because they're not as long, and short nails can look extremely bulky very quickly. So you don't want a huge apex on them. You do want a small apex, but don't go overboard is what I'm saying, because short nails can look bulky very, very easily. So it's a thin line between just enough acrylic and too much. So just yeah, bear that in mind. So I'm using small beads to apply these nails. So I've finished applying that nail bed colour, and the the middle finger is just a full nail of the beige and warm beige from there, and because I'll be doing some stamping over that nail, so that nail's just plain colour. And as usual, I cap all my nails, even though you can build the nail with a nail bed colour because they're strength powders. I always cap because I like the look of that. So onto the little finger, and I'm doing an ombre, and the index finger is also an ombre, so they're the same. So tiny bead of the warm beige, bring it down and fade it into nothing. Make sure you've got a nice neat cuticle area. I wasn't happy, so I added a little bit more. And again, I've missed a little bit on the side there, so just teeny tiny bead, fill that area in. Now that has been done, I will use tiny beads of clear acrylic to pick up some of the glitter. I think this one was called Penny, if I remember rightly. Well, it's all in the beginning of the video, what glitters are what. So yeah, tiny bead of acrylic clear to pick up the raw glitter, and then apply that to the nail and fade it down. Well, fade it up towards the cuticle area. So we've got a nice ombre with glitter. Needed a little bit more on the little finger, so I added that. So tiny bead of clear acrylic and to hold these glitter diamonds. They're really cute diamond shapes, and I thought that they would go well with the set. So as you can see, here's a picture of Cher's outfit. This is why I'm using the kind of triangular and diamond shapes. If you look at her outfit, I hope that, you know, it makes sense looking at her outfit and what I'm doing with the nails, you know. Anywho, tiny beads of clear acrylic to hold those in place, and I will go back to that, what's it called, extended nail bed. God, I'm losing my words. Use the darker of the glitter first. Now I'm sorry, the camera stopped recording and I didn't notice when I was doing the ring finger. So what I did was I used the darkest glitter right up against the wall of the extended nail bed. Then I used the medium colour at, you know, in the middle, and at the tip I used the holographic gold. That's all I did, and then I capped that ready to be filed in. And then I will cap this little finger as you saw, and also cap this index finger, and then I will go and file in the smile line, and you'll see that because I do show you that. So you know, I'm sorry you didn't get to see me apply the 3 shades of glitter on the nail tip, but like I said, I didn't notice. There's nothing I do. I have no footage to show you. I'm so sorry, but I will show you filing in the smile line, which will be coming up just now. The nails are set, so I will just neaten up this nail and get that smile line filed in. And as usual, you know me, I start off with the hand file and then remember I have an e-file. I do it every time. It's just, yeah, anyway, I'm a donut, we know that. Dory brain, yeah. Anywho, so as you can see, file in that smile line to really reveal a lovely crisp line. Dust it off, and then I will cap that entire nail with clear acrylic as usual. You know me. Obviously you don't have to do it the way that I do it. A lot of people don't cap everything, you know. Choice is totally up to you. Anyway, we've let all that set. I filed all the nails, shaped and filed and buffed them, and now it's onto the stamping. So I've got this triangular pattern on my stamping plate, and I thought it would be perfect for this set, so I'm using it. So it's the usual: apply the stamping polish to the nail plate, scrape, pick it up with your stamper, apply it to the nail, and then what I'm doing now is I'm breaking any attachment to this skin so that I can top coat, because we want it to all sit flat on nail so that we can top coat it. So it's time to top it off and keep it tough. And as you will see, all the glitter starts to come alive with the top coating. So after I've top coated and cured the nails, I will use some acetone to remove the nail polish from, well, stamping nail polish from the skin area, and that is it. So if you have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe, all of that jazz. And I'd like to say thank you for joining me for this video for episode 1. I'm not sure who I'm going to do for episode 2, but you know, subscribe and you'll find out. That's all I've got for you this time, peeps. You take care now, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.